Hello everybody, welcome to Doug's Kitchen, and tonight we have all of these ingredients and this to be reviewed. And thank you for all the votes that you had, and if you watched a previous video you might know what we're making, but tonight we are making some Indian tacos. So you might ask, what's an Indian taco and what's the difference from an Indian taco to a normal taco? So this taco, it's a hard shell, but Indian tacos are usually bread, but since it's an Indian taco, we don't need this. We're just gonna be using, thanks to Grandma, some fresh Bannock. This stuff is good. So for now, just cover the greatness back up. But here's a good thing about tacos. The thing about tacos is that you could just slice all this stuff up and, get all your toppings, some lettuce, some cheese, some tomatoes, celery cream, and some salsa. But the only thing you really have to make is this meat, some ground beef. So what you do with this is you take a pan, set it to medium-high, and then take it. It's slimy, just like last time you cooked with meatloaf. And then you cook it for 7 to 8-ish minutes on medium high. So let's set this to 8 minutes and turn it on. So, oh yeah, our spoon's over here. Get your spoon and kind of just slice it up into little chunks so you'll have little fine pieces of ground beef in your taco. So you can just sprinkle it everywhere like that. So you just want to squish it, and then once it's done cooking, well, then we just strain the fat off, and add the taco mix and the water, and put the meatloaf in there. Keep it on medium high, and then mix it. And then once it starts boiling, let it simmer for around 4 or 5 minutes. But since that's gonna take a while, just for time's sake, we're gonna make it shorter. So we'll just show you the final product. Plus, the recipe is just literally on the taco mix right here on the back. I say here. So once this starts to boil and stuff, you can check on us in about 7 to 8 minutes, because it's really easy to make. And I know this is like a really short video, but yeah, because Indian tacos are a really, really short meal. Short and fun and sweet. And it tastes good. So now I guess we're gonna just end off the video right here, because this is going to take a while, because we just still have 5 minutes and 50 seconds left on the timer. So write in the comments, what would you like me to make next on Tuesday, and I hope that you guys like this video. Leave a comment, and I will see you guys in the next one. See ya!